Hi, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to make an amigurumi baby whale. This is a fairly easy beginner project. You'll need some yarn, some safety eyes, a stitch marker, some scissors, a needle, and your crochet hook. You can use a 5.5 or 6. So gather your supplies and let's get started. So we'll begin by making a magic circle. And then in that magic circle, we're going to do 8 single crochets. And then we're going to pull on the tail to close the circle. And then we're going to do 8 increases. So we're going to do a single crochet in the first stitch and then single crochet again in that same stitch. And that's 1. 2. And 8. Okay. For row 3, we're going to do 7 single crochets and 1 increase. And an increase. And then you just repeat that again. And an increase. Okay. I'm going to put a stitch marker in here. Row 4 is 18 single crochets. So you will single crochet all the way around till you get to your stitch marker, or you can just count to 18. I'll see you when you get to the finish. Okay, we're almost back to the beginning. Take out the stitch marker. This is number 18. So for row 5, we're going to put the fins in. If you can see by this little guy, he has fins on each side. So we're going to do 3 single crochets, and then make a fin. You make the fin by doing 3 chains, starting in this first stitch. We're going to make a slip stitch, and then in the next stitch we are going to make a slip stitch. And then we're going to slip stitch back into the body. that same stitch. And that's the first fin. Then we're going to do 10 single crochets. And then we're going to make another fin. So we're going to crochet 3, and then we're going to take that first stitch and slip stitch, and then this last stitch and a slip stitch, and then back into the body and a slip stitch. Then we're going to do 4 single crochets. And we're going to make the tail. So you're going to chain 4. And then we're going to do a half double crochet in this stitch. So loop the yarn around, go into this stitch, pull your yarn through. You'll have 3 on the hook. Wrap your yarn around and pull through all 3. Then in the next stitch, you're going to do a single crochet. And then in the last stitch, you're going to do a slip stitch. And then you're going to slip stitch back into the body. And then you're going to repeat that. Chain 4. And you're going to do a half double crochet into this first stitch. This fluffy yarn, sometimes you have to be patient and take your time and make sure you get where you want to go. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Oh, see, I missed it there. Let's do that again. So half double crochet into this first stitch. There we go. And then through all 3. And then the second one, you're going to do a single crochet. And then in the last stitch, you're going to do a slip stitch. And then a slip stitch into that same stitch in the body. Okay? So that's what your little tail looks like. Now, we're going to change color. I'm going to use yellow. So, you're going to do a single crochet, but instead of finishing, you're going to use your new yarn color and pull it through. Now we're going to work into the back loop only. So our first stitch is going to be a slip stitch, and it's into the back loop only. Now we're going to single crochet 18 stitches into the back loop only. And when you get behind these little fins and the tail, it can be kind of tricky. But the good thing is it doesn't show up all that well either. So if you don't quite get the right one, it'll still be just fine. But look for that back loop only. Okay, so go around your whole whale, back loop only, single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, we're back to the beginning. So now you're going to take the 2 pieces of yarn, cut your first yarn color, and then you're going to tie those 2 ends together. Just like that. And then just stuff them inside. And now we're going to place our eyes. So the eyes go between rounds 4 and 5. So you're going to count from the magic circle as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's going to be in between. And you want them kind of centered between the fins. So you put the eye in, you put the little back on, and squish it nice and tight. And here's the other eye. Oops. Okay. All right, so now we're ready to start our decreases. So this is going to be row 7. And we are going to single crochet and decrease times 8. So we'll start with a single crochet. Kind of tight here. Okay, and now a decrease. So you pull the front loop and then the front loop again. Pull through 2, pull through 2. And then a single crochet, and then a decrease. The front loop, and the front loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then a single crochet, and a decrease. And a single crochet, and a decrease. Single crochet and a decrease. Single crochet and a decrease. Single crochet and a decrease. Okay. Then for our last row, we're going to single crochet and decrease times 5. Single crochet and a decrease. Single crochet and a decrease. Now you can take your yarn, cut a long tail, and then it's time to stuff your little whale. Okay, cut your yarn off, and then you're going to pull it through and take your needle and just catch the outside of the stitch like so. Don't pull tight, just leave it nice and loose, and go along and grab the outside of each one of these stitches. All the way around. And then just pull, and that closes up the hole. And then you can just take the end of your yarn and just pull it through to hide the yarn. And then just snip it off here. And there you have your cute little whale. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe, and we will see you next time for our next project, because it's always a good day to crochet.